Hey, Mike Chrysler here with Hero Dad Bod. Today we're going to be working on one of my favorite muscle groups, biceps. Two exercises we're going to be going through are two of my favorites, hammer curls and straight bar curls. Old fashioned, old school, they will get it done. They will help you get the biceps you're looking for. Let's get after it. All right, here we go. First exercise, hammer curls on an incline bench. Take the incline bench up almost to 90 degrees, just so you can retract your shoulders back and really open up that full long head of the bicep. So these are great for building out thickness to your bicep. The brachioradialis, as you can see right there, popping out in the middle, really gives you that nice superhero thick bicep. Come up to about just higher than 90 degrees, full extension down, squeeze it up and down. Being in an incline bench like this really gets a really good stretch on the bicep, so super effective. One of my sick exercises here is probably one of the kings and one of my favorites is just standing barbell curls. Every teenager starts with these, or they should, and every superhero should continue to do these somewhere in their movements. You know, not every time, sometimes they'll use dumbbells, but just good old-fashioned barbell curls with even just a slight cheat on the way up, so you can put a little more load on there and then just feel it on the way down. You're gonna grow, this is gonna work, get after it. Doesn't take much with biceps, you know, I do them after I do my back work, so they're already pretty fried. And so I just get after it. I put a lot of blood in there, you know, 3 to 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps, should be good. Thanks for watching today's superhero bicep workout. Please like, share, subscribe to all this stuff. That helps everything out. Let me know some comments if there's something you want to learn about, some other ideas. I'm all for it. I want to learn from you guys. I'm here to help. Be healthy, be fit, be happy. Get it.